Hi all. So today we are going to learn how to make paper mache clay. So paper mache clay can be used for creating various articles like showpieces. You can create statues, you can create some wall paintings. I'm going to show some of the examples. The material required for paper mache clay is we need few newspapers, maybe 5 to 6 sheets. We need a glue. If you don't get glue like this, is a superior adhesive paste which is just used for joining some papers, and this is available in different brands. So अलग-अलग brands में मिलता है आपको. Camlin is one of the brand, and this is Chorus. So you get this brand. We also need chalk powder. So the chalk powder which I am using is basically Surya brand, and for making this we will be needing around 2.5 to 3 kgs of chalk powder. We need a little bit of cooking oil. You can use any oil what you want. Okay, so we have to tear apart this 5 to 6 sheets of newspaper into small pieces. So we have to make it very small piece because then it makes it easy for the next level process which I'm going to explain. So you need to have very small as possible. You need to just make it. After this you have to soak it overnight in water. Okay, so after soaking it overnight we have to just grind it in a grinder, and then after grinding we get something like this. So so we have to squeeze extra water out of it. उसमें से पानी निकाल दीजिए extra, और we have to ensure that it still have some kind of moist which is available. We should not squeeze out the complete water out of it. And we will be using 2 handful of this for making the clay for today. Okay, so as I said, we will be needing 2 handful of paper chunks. So add it in a bowl, and then add this full bottle. This is 700 ml glue bottle, so we have to add it completely. In case if you don't get this, you can use Fevicol also. So we will, for the same content, we can use 500 ml PVA glue, which is the PVA white glue which you can add. So in India we get Fevicol, so you can use that. So pour it completely into this. After this you have to ensure you just mix it well so that all these papers get mixed up with the glue. And we have to ensure that we are not making big lumps of it, and it should get mixed up properly. Yeah, so this is the state where the paper lumps has almost got dissolved or has been added properly with the glue. So now we will start adding chalk powder into this. So I'm going to add chalk powder. You have to add it little slowly. Okay, so see, though I know I will be needing more than 2 kgs, I can add everything together, but the idea here is the mixture, you should just keep adding slowly. So you have to keep mixing, keep adding this chalk powder, and then keep mixing it until we get a nice dough which we are using for making the chapatis. So you can see the change in the state. Now it has started solidifying. वो थोड़ा अभी tight होता जा रहा है, और we are almost getting the consistency of the dough, and it will still need some more lot of kneading. In fact, certainly it tests your patience when you make it, and your hand also sometimes doesn't move, but see, at the end of the day, when you get a good product in terms of working, so I think this is still worth it. So this is the stage where we have to add a little bit of oil into this. I'm going to add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, any vegetable oil you can use for this matter. You don't need to go for any specific brand. Whatever is available at home can be utilized. So the idea here is to get a little bit of viscosity of the oil so that it makes it easier for you to make the dough. See, now it started to get collected. So until this state, I have already added 2 kgs of chalk powder, and I will be needing certainly maybe another 300 grams to 400 grams of chalk powder. So the entire process of kneading this takes around 20 minutes to 30 minutes of time, depending on how much of energy you actually spend for doing this. Okay, so now it's time to add a little more chalk powder. Yeah, after kneading it for another 10 minutes और लगभग 10 मिनट इसको गूंदने के बाद हमें ऐसी स्टेट मिलती है. देखिए, now when I touch it, it doesn't stick to my hand. You can see it is still very dry. So this is the state we want, and you also look at it like this is how it is, and the clay what we got is so smooth. So you can do any kind of detailing on it and and the final product can come in a much you can get very nice fine quality. तो जो इस पे फिनिशिंग जो आती है, जो आप जो भी कुछ प्रोडक्ट बनाएंगे वो बहुत ही अच्छे और एकदम आप इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर ओन स्किल्स कि आप उसको कितने लेवल की डिटेलिंग देना चाहते हैं. ठीक है, अभी आई विल जस्ट शो यू हाउ मच क्ले वी आर एबल टू क्रिएट. सो दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट 3 kgs and around 369 grams. Okay, it's almost like you can say like 3.5 kg, little more than 3.5 kg of clay what we are able to create. Okay, so अब हमारा clay बन के रेडी है, and हम इसको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जैसे हमें कोई 3D फॉर्म देना हो, और जिसके बारे में मैं आने वाली वीडियोज़ में आपको दिखाऊंगा. और अभी के लिए आई विल जस्ट टेल यू फ्यू टिप्स. सो वन थिंग इज़ यू डोंट नीड एनी प्रिजर्वेटिव. आपको इसमें कोई प्रिजर्वेटिव डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि इसमें कोई भी कुकिंग आइटम अदर देन ऑयल वी हैव नॉट यूज्ड एनीथिंग, एंड यू कैन कीप इट फॉर एटलीस्ट 6 months if it is nicely packed and sealed. So how I keep it is I take Ziplocs, I always create small chunks of it so that it's easy for me to handle it, and then whatever amount I want I can just take up one chunk and use it. I just store them separately. Ensure that the ziplock is tightly closed. If there is any extra air, make sure you remove it, because that may also create problem in terms of drying it. So you again ensure that you lock it properly, and then put it in one more cover, because this doubly ensures that we are not allowing any kind of air to enter inside. Okay. So by creating this kind of packing, you can preserve it for minimum 6 months. Okay. So overall, for creating this clay, I used almost like 2.8 kgs of chalk powder, 700 ml of glue, and two handful of lump of newspaper. Okay, and maybe around 4 to 5 teaspoons of oil, vegetable oil. Okay, so enjoy, and until then, bye. Thank you for listening to me, and have a nice time. Bye bye.